Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Slide 1 explains how to identify airplane mode on your Stylo phone. First, swipe down from the top of the screen with one hand. This opens the Quick Settings panel and shows common toggles. Look for the airplane icon to confirm flight mode is active. If the icon appears highlighted or blue, the phone's radios are disabled. Tap the airplane icon once to toggle flight mode off. Watch for network bars to reappear within a few seconds after toggling. If the quick toggle does not work, use the Full Settings app instead. Open Settings and select Network and Internet or Connections depending on your Stylo software. Locate the airplane mode option listed at the top of this menu. Use the on/off switch to disable flight mode explicitly from system settings. After switching it off, wait 10 to 30 seconds and watch for Wi-Fi and cellular icons to return. If networks do not reappear, proceed to the troubleshooting slide. If flight mode refuses to turn off, begin deeper troubleshooting calmly and methodically. First, remove and reseat the SIM card and restart the phone to clear temporary glitches. If the problem persists, boot the Stylo into safe mode to rule out apps interfering with radios. Next, check for system updates in settings and install any available patches. If all else fails, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. Contact your carrier or manufacturer support if radios remain disabled after these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.